T was like, I want a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I said, you better make it with that bread.
It was good, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. You know, it's your boy T. So today's video, I have a grocery haul. I'm out here with my sis. She's not vegan. This is her first time shopping vegan. So I'm gonna show her exactly how to, shop vegan. So right here we got the avocados. She already like avocados, so we're gonna start with the avocados. Start with the produce section because everything in the produce section is vegan. So we start with the produce section and then head over to the frozen section and then so forth, so forth.
So I like to buy some of them right and some of them not right because I'm the only one in my house that eats avocado. So like I like to make it like I like to slice it up in a salad or on a sandwich or make some avocado toast.
And avocado is good for like omega-3 and omega-6. So for all those people that was like, oh, I need to eat fish or fish oil for omega-3s, you get all that with your avocado. So right here we got some mushrooms. My sister already said she already on the mushrooms, but her significant other is not, and my niece not on the mushrooms. So we got different type of mushrooms. The best mushrooms to eat, in my opinion, would be the oyster mushrooms. We got these right here. They're alkaline. And then we got some portobello mushrooms. They're alkaline. You can always cut these up. You can use these to make your own burgers because they already got the burger shape. So the best the best mushrooms to get are oyster mushrooms, portobello, and shiitake. All the rest of them I wouldn't suggest because they're not. Portobello right here.
I don't even know how to tell when this is like right.
I gotta figure that out too because I don't know too much about dragon fruit.
Okay.
So my sister grabbed some dragon fruit. I don't know too much about it. I gotta learn more so I can just be able to tell y'all. But her and I was going over
What about the star fruit?
I mean, I haven't tried it. I'm gonna give you one so I can try it just for you. I'm gonna give one just try it for you. But yeah, I was letting her know about the bananas. So right here you see we got baby bananas, and then we got the red bananas, and then like the traditional bananas. Just traditional bananas right here. And I was trying to tell her the baby bananas are the original bananas, but they have seeds in it, and the regular banana doesn't have seeds in it. So it's like it's GMO, man-made. So I suggest her to get the baby bananas more so for they're alkaline, and it's better for you, and it has less mucus. So bananas cause mucus in your body. So the smaller ones, you get less mucus and more potassium than the original banana. That's why I mean.
So the seed is the seed something that you can eat?
You can eat seeds. Yep.
All right, I'll try some baby bananas.
You try one right there. She gonna get one.
This is a lot of bananas.
She gonna thank me later. They little. You gotta think about it little.
Too much anything next.
So it's supposed to be like, I guess, hot wings. So right now we're the.
What kind of mock meat is it? Like what kind of?
Let me see. Right now we're in the frozen section, and everybody been following me. They know that I said that I kind of pulling back on the processed foods because especially what happened with my dad. But this right here has a sodium of 4 to 30 milligrams, 23%. And like I said, since my sister is a new vegan, I let her try mock meats 1 or 2 times. Anything in moderation is cool. So make sure if you do get it, look at the back of it. Since they don't have a warning label on it now, you see how much sodium in it, see how much sugar in there. It says 23% sodium and 40 to 30 milligrams.
And I definitely want to try this for like my daughter. Like sometimes she like to make her own food. And she's trying to like learn how to cook and be more independent since she turned 10. So this is something that she can make on her own.
Yep. Put it right in the oven. Keep that joint right up.
Because I'm not big on processed stuff and stuff like this. Even though I do eat meat, I like to buy all my stuff fresh, all my produce fresh. I really don't buy like frozen stuff, especially meat or mock meat. But yeah, this is something that I'm going to try.
Another option you can do is like lentils. I'm gonna put my sister on the lentils. That's a meat replacer. We already got some mushrooms. That's a meat replacer. But like I said, just 1 or 2 times is cool. This one I like Dr. Prager's burgers. They soy free, and they have 19 grams of protein. That's what's up in this joint. It's hard to find burgers that's soy free, but as you see, got a lot of ingredients in that joint.
Wow.
And let's see how much sodium.
Some stuff I can't even.
620 milligrams of sodium for these 2 little burgers.
Wow.
Chicken. So again, that's what I was saying. Like it needs to be, people need to know about what they're eating, and so they should have a FOP in the front product warning label. Let people know if this product is high in sodium and things like that. Most people just grab them, pick them up, not even knowing.
And then another thing we were talking about was juices with stuff that says natural flavoring or natural Right, what was it? Natural flavor?
Natural flavors.
Yeah, like you don't know what that is.
Natural
Be
flavor.
anything.
Yeah, natural flavors. I was reading, they were saying it could be 100 things, but only thing they say is natural flavors. That natural flavors can mean there's 100 ingredients in that one. There are 2 words, natural flavors.
So I'm going to invest in buying a juicer and making my own juice.
Sorry, you want to say hi, Si?
That's baby girl.
I got her to get the Dr. Prager's mushroom risotto. I usually eat the kale burger, but if you look at the ingredients is limited. The sodium is half of what you get in Beyond Meat burger. So,
And I like that the ingredients, I could pronounce everything in here. Everything I recognize.
yeah.
So
So if you can't pronounce it, don't eat it.
I know that's right.
All right. So now we're at the peanut butter aisle. My sister was asking me about how I feel about peanut butter. I tried to put it onto the cashew butter, but she was like, "Dang, look at the price, $8.99." She's allergic to almonds, so she can't have almond butter. But I had suggested
Cashew butter,
cashew butter for her.
which
But
is very expensive. And this is the off-brand. This is the Whole Food
Whole Food brand. So imagine like a
So this is $9, and wow! And the way my daughter goes through peanut butter,
cashew butter, $17.99 down there.
I would be mad if she ate this very fast. This should last you a long time.
If you want to
But,
give, I'm about to say if you want to give it a try.
yep, I'm going to try it. I'm sold. My brother sold me on trying cashew butter.
Let me see if it's got
my
palm oil.
daughter, so.
So this cashew oil doesn't have palm oil. I'm going to do a review on palm oil. Palm oil is good for your stomach. And some people don't think it's vegan. Some people do think it's vegan, but some people don't because they actually have to destroy the land where animals live at to make room for the trees to grow palm oil. So if you're destroying, animals' habitat, is that really vegan? So, I'm going to do a whole review on palm oil because palm oil is not good for my stomach. And a lot of things have palm oil, but this cashew butter doesn't.
And this is something I've never seen before.
What is this?
Roasted watermelon
seen that.
seed butter.
Watermelon spread. Yeah, I seen that. I never used it.
Wow.
How much is that?
Very
joint?
interesting. This is $12.99.
So they got pumpkin
Pumpkin
butter,
seed butter.
watermelon butter, pecan butter.
Pecan. Oh, I
Oh,
love
man.
pecans. I might try this instead. Oh, this is more expensive. The consistency is something new. Let's see the ingredients.
Might have to get pecan butter a try, y'all.
Ingredients, pecans. Wow.
That's all? That's the only thing in it? That's it. That's how it's supposed to be. One ingredient.
Pecans.
Exactly.
That's amazing.
Everybody else want to put like 30 things in their joint.
That's amazing.
So we just finished up at Whole Foods. About to head to Trader Joe's real quick. My sister was saying that she wasn't trying to jump all the way into being vegan. And I'm like, no, you don't have to. It's a transition. You can take it one day at a time, one step at a time. How about just doing meatless Monday? So every Monday, incorporate a vegan meal into your meal for that day. But yeah, about to head to Trader Joe's, and when we get there, we'll be back. So now I just finally get back. You see the video earlier, you see my sister and I, we shopping at Whole Foods, but we also went to Trader Joe's afterwards. Trader Joe's got this thing where they don't let people record, so inside the store, they didn't want to hear all that, so we didn't record. So I'm gonna show you guys everything we got from everything I got from Whole Foods, as well as Trader Joe's, and some of the things that I got, she got as well. To help her with her transition. Only thing she got that wasn't only thing she got that was processed was like we all seen those wings that I showed, those hot wings. That's about it. Everything else is like not processed. So right here I got some blueberries. I finally taste blueberries for the first time today. I'm gonna start eating these ones now. So I'm hyped. Got some blueberries. Got some oyster mushrooms right here. Yeah, this is my first time trying it, so this is a new item. So I'm gonna take a picture of it. They didn't even know they had this, but pecan butter. They got like almond butter, peanut butter, cashew butter. Then we got pecan butter. My sister peeped this out first, putting it out, and I was like, let me give this a try. So yeah, pecan butter. All the ingredients in here is pecans, sea salt.
So pecan is not a nut, right?
Huh?
It's not a nut. It's not like people who have nut allergies, would they be pecan?
I would come back to y'all with that. Allergy contains pecans, so people must be allergic to pecans because it's an allergen right here. So some people may be allergic to pecans. I know my sister's allergic to almonds.
Oh.
We got that good coconut water. I'm gonna do a whole video on coconut water, why coconut water is good for you. But for now, got that Harmless Harvest coconut water. Sparkling water. Tina uses sparkling water to make her own soda. You can always, again, she can make a quick video show you how to use it.
Also, y'all, you can use sparkling water as you can use instead of using baking soda or baking powder to bake with. You can also use that. It'll help like say you're making pizza. It'll help the dough rise, or you're making any type of bread. It'll help it rise instead of using baking soda. You know, so yeah, the bubbles in it will help it rise.
Yeah, the bubbles. We got some baby bananas. I put my sister on this. She never really seen the baby bananas. She only had see the red ones. So I would let her know that baby bananas are alkaline and are real, and the real bananas are real. They have no seeds. So I plan on doing a video with the burro bananas over there. I got them the other day, yesterday. Here's the burro banana. With the burro bananas, a baby banana, and a regular banana. And cutting them open and show y'all guys that which one have seeds and which one doesn't. Baby banana always have seeds, regular one doesn't. Never tried this before, but my sister wanted to try it. She got me into it. So dragon fruit. She was like, how do you know dragon fruit ripe and blah, blah, blah like that? And I don't know too much about dragon fruit, so I got it just to figure out about the taste, to learn more about it. So got some dragon fruit.
It's like dragon fruit is like an exotic fruit that a lot of people are scared of.
What is it? Starfish? Starfruit? Whatever. Starfruit. There we go. I say starfish. Starfruit. My sister, she put me onto this. Yes, I wanted to give it a try. See how it tastes. She already loves avocado, so we got a whole bunch of avocado. She was saying how she already put it on her toast, stuff like that. I was like, you're already on the right track, because some people don't like avocado. Yeah, you do.
Oh, you?
Like me. Next, we got some stuff for the kids, yeah? You know, kids being kids. I put the joint right in the freezer because I just come group. Got some vanilla ice cream. You know, we gotta have some snacks for the kids. Yeah. We could always make our own ice cream, but it's just quicker to do this. I'm gonna tell T to make a video on how to make your own ice cream because it's not that hard.
And I'll let my kids have ice cream, you know, because they're young. They could still, you know, have a snack once in a while. All the other kids, they might see all the other kids like going out to the ice cream truck getting ice cream, and you know they might feel left out. So I have some ice cream in the freezer for them, and they eat it once in a while. So
yeah, moderation is key. Because too much water is bad for you. Too much of anything. Next, we got some popsicles. I used to eat these growing up, little cream popsicles. So got these for the kids, let them organic, dairy-free, gluten-free. You know? So now we're gonna go to, oh yeah, so Violife cheese. Got some Violife cheese, sodium, 250 milligrams. I wouldn't think it'll be that much. But
it's processed. So.
Yeah. But Violife cheese.
If you have high blood pressure, I wouldn't recommend it. I'm gonna show you a video on how to make your nut cheese, a cheese out of nuts. So stay tuned for that.
You got I'm not gonna lie, this for me. I used to always my biggest hurdle becoming vegan was Reese cups. That was the one thing I can't really get over. Like fish, anything else was cool, but Reese cups was like the last thing. So I found these Unreal dark chocolate almond butter cups, which taste close, not like actual Reese cups, but they're close enough.
It'll satisfy
your cravings.
Yeah.
So if you ever tried it, try them, Jones. Yeah, this stuff I got from Trader Joe's. Like I said, with Trader Joe's for my sister, like she liked that cookie butter there. So she had basically just went there just for the cookie butter.
Remember I used to be hyping that?
Yeah. So we got some freshly squeezed lemonade, unpasteurized. I got some tomato sauce, marinara sauce. Right here for y'all. We also got some Miyoko's butter. I was surprised that they sold it at Trader Joe's, but we got some Miyoko's butter.
Yeah, that's the only thing in her product they sell. I think that and the cheese.
We got this. Tina liked this before, so I got this for her. So she had nachos because she had the spicy stuff. Tacos and nachos or whatever. We got some avocado oil. So only oil we use to cook is avocado oil or grapeseed oil, which is what I got in the bag as well. Next we got some orange, peach, mango. You already know how I feel about mango and peach. Well, mango at least. Some grape jelly. Organic grape jelly. We got some unsweetened applesauce. We got unsweetened applesauce right here. You know, applesauce is good just to eat regular for the kids, as well as, you know, using as a as a substitute. So like when you bake it or something like that, instead of using eggs, you can use applesauce. If you do use them, if you do use applesauce, it's better to get the unsweet one because if it's sweet, you can taste it in your food. Taste it, and also sugar is naturally, apple naturally has sugar in it. So if it doesn't say unsweet, that means they added extra sugar into it. We got coconut beverage, coconut milk, unsweetened. So when Tina do her baking, she uses unsweetened coconut milk. And last but not least, we got grapeseed oil right here. And last but not least, the best thing right here, Mountain Valley water.
No, that's the regular water. Y'all showed earlier, y'all seen the sparkling water, and I told y'all what I use that for. So that's just the regular water that's alkaline. What's the pH? Like so.
This is 7.2.
So yeah, that's a good pH. It's good if you're looking for real spring water. Yeah. And it's in a glass, better than bottles.
And it's my favorite too. So give it a try. Yo, all right. Give it a try. 2 more things. My sister said she showed these. She was like, "You like Lentils, right?" So I was like, "Yeah." So lentil chips, just made out lentils. Wanted to give them a try.
We had a different brand from Whole Foods. But yeah.
These are from Whole Foods. So
it's their brand, I think.
And I mean, it's not food, but parchment paper.
A healthier way of cooking, y'all. That's
yeah, my sister was like, "Yo, why you get parchment paper?" I was like, because, you know, aluminum foil, when you cook in aluminum foil, the aluminum can't get into your food because of the heat. So, cook with parchment paper and unbleached, because regular parchment paper is bleached.
Yep.
So get the unbleached one. You don't have to worry about, you know, chemicals getting in your food while you're cooking. Because it's one thing eating healthy, but if you're using stuff that's going to make your food unhealthy, it's kind of pointless.
And aluminum foil sticks to your food anyway. I always thought aluminum foil that's not that good as far as non-stick.
So yeah, that was everything. Like I said, I took my sister grocery shopping. She actually I actually enjoyed doing it with her. I did, and she enjoyed it too. Like, she asked me a lot of questions, I was answering them. I couldn't really do that much recording because you know how stores can be. But at the end of the day, I think I satisfied her needs. I'm gonna go further into it. As far as like checking up on it, give her recipes and things like that. So if you found that this video was informative, you like this video, please follow us at Peace Love Vegan. If you found out this video was informative, please follow us at Peace Love Vegan 420 on our IG. Subscribe to our YouTube channel at Peace Love Vegan 420. You know, support the mission. I already told y'all guys, trying to get a warning label on products, trying to get a garden in neighborhoods. Y'all know what the deal is, but videos like these are to keep people to keep people, you know, informed, help people go grocery shopping. So again, if you thought this video was informative, like, subscribe, and like I always say, dare to be vegan. Peace.